Welcoming a new baby into the world is an exciting journey, and tracking their growth in the first month is a crucial part of it. As a new parent, you might be eager to ensure your baby is developing healthily. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this special time. In the first few days, your baby will lose some weight, which is completely normal. By the end of the first week, they should start regaining it. Keep an eye on their weight, as it's a key indicator of healthy growth. Regular checkups with your pediatrician will help monitor this. Pay attention to your baby's feeding patterns. Newborns typically feed every 2 to 3 hours. Whether breastfeeding or formula feeding, ensure your baby is getting enough to eat. Look for signs of hunger, such as rooting or sucking on their hands. Sleep is another vital aspect of your baby's growth. Newborns sleep a lot, usually around 16 to 17 hours a day. Establish a sleep routine to help them feel secure and rested. Remember, every baby is different, so find a rhythm that suits your little one. Tummy time is essential for your baby's physical development. Start with short sessions, a few minutes at a time, and gradually increase as they grow stronger. This helps build neck and shoulder muscles and prevents flat spots on the head. Observe your baby's reflexes and movements. They should start to show signs of reflexes like grasping and the startle reflex. These are important milestones in their neurological development. Remember, every baby grows at their own pace. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, and enjoy this precious time with your newborn. If you have any concerns about your baby's growth, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for guidance.
Taking your baby to a museum for the first time can be an exciting adventure filled with discovery and learning. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable for both you and your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you plan your baby's first museum visit. Before you go, research museums that are baby-friendly. Look for places with stroller access, family restrooms, and quiet areas for feeding or changing. Some museums even offer special programs or exhibits designed for young children. Plan your visit during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and overstimulation. Mid-mornings or early afternoons on weekdays are usually the best times. This way, you can explore at your own pace without feeling rushed. Pack a well-stocked diaper bag with essentials like diapers, wipes, snacks, and a change of clothes. Don't forget a favorite toy or blanket to provide comfort and familiarity in a new environment. Dress your baby in layers to accommodate varying temperatures within the museum. Comfortable clothing will ensure your little one stays happy and relaxed throughout the visit. Once at the museum, take breaks often. Find a quiet spot to sit and let your baby stretch or play. This will help prevent fussiness and keep the experience enjoyable. Remember, your baby might not be interested in every exhibit. Follow their lead and focus on areas that capture their attention. Bright colors, interesting textures, and interactive displays are usually a hit with little ones. Lastly, capture the memories. Take photos of your baby's reactions and the moments you share. These will be cherished memories you can look back on. Visiting a museum with your baby is a wonderful way to introduce them to the world of art and culture. With a bit of planning and patience, it can be a rewarding experience for both of you. Enjoy the adventure. Taking your baby to a museum for the first time can be an exciting adventure filled with discovery and learning. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable for both you and your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you plan your baby's first museum visit. Before you go, research museums that are baby-friendly. Look for places with stroller access, family restrooms, and quiet areas for feeding or changing. Some museums even offer special programs or exhibits designed for young children. Plan your visit during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and overstimulation. Mid-mornings or early afternoons on weekdays are usually the best times. This will give you and your baby a more relaxed experience. Pack a well-stocked diaper bag with essentials like diapers, wipes, snacks, and a change of clothes. Don't forget a favorite toy or blanket to provide comfort if your baby gets fussy. Once you arrive, take your time exploring. Follow your baby's cues and let them lead the way. Babies are naturally curious, so allow them to engage with the environment at their own pace. Point out colors, shapes, and sounds to stimulate their senses. Remember, it's okay if you don't see everything in one visit. Focus on enjoying the moment and creating positive memories. If your baby gets tired or overwhelmed, take a break in a quiet spot or head home and try again another day. Visiting a museum with your baby is a wonderful opportunity to introduce them to the world of art and culture. With a little preparation and patience, you can make it a fun and enriching experience for both of you. Enjoy the journey of exploration and learning together. Planning your baby's first picnic is an exciting milestone filled with joy and a touch of adventure. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable and stress-free. Here are some essential tips to guide you through the process. Start by choosing a location that's safe and comfortable for both you and your baby. A nearby park with plenty of shade and soft grass is ideal. Make sure the spot is easily accessible and has facilities like restrooms and changing areas. Next, pack a picnic basket with all the essentials. Bring a soft blanket for your baby to lie on. And don't forget a sun hat and sunscreen to protect their delicate skin. Pack plenty of snacks and drinks for yourself. And if your baby is old enough for solids, include some baby-friendly finger foods. Remember to bring toys and books to keep your little one entertained. Soft toys, rattles, and colorful books can provide stimulation and fun while you enjoy the fresh air. It's important to plan around your baby's schedule. Try to time the picnic after a nap so your baby is well rested and happy. Keep an eye on the weather forecast to ensure a pleasant day out. Safety is key, so always keep a close watch on your baby. Be mindful of insects and ensure your baby is dressed appropriately to avoid bites. A small first aid kit can be handy for any minor mishaps. Finally, relax and enjoy the moment. A picnic is a wonderful opportunity to bond with your baby and create lasting memories. Embrace the simplicity of the day and cherish the smiles and giggles. Remember, every picnic is unique, so find what works best for you and your baby. Happy picnicking! Dealing with your baby's first runny nose can be a bit daunting, but with the right approach, you can help your little one feel more comfortable. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this experience. First, it's important to recognize the signs of a runny nose. Your baby might have a stuffy nose, sneezing, or even a slight cough. These symptoms are common and usually not a cause for alarm. To help your baby breathe easier, try using a saline nasal spray. This can help loosen mucus and make it easier to clear. Gently apply a few drops in each nostril and use a bulb syringe to suction out the mucus. Humidifiers can also be a great aid. Placing one in your baby's room adds moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated nasal passages. Make sure to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold and bacteria growth. Keeping your baby hydrated is crucial. Offer breast milk or formula frequently, as this can help thin the mucus and keep your baby comfortable. If your baby is old enough for water, small sips can also be beneficial. Dress your baby in layers to ensure they are comfortable but not overheated. A runny nose can sometimes be accompanied by a slight fever, so monitor their temperature and adjust clothing as needed. If your baby's runny nose persists for more than a week, or if they show signs of difficulty breathing, it's best to consult a pediatrician. They can provide guidance and ensure there are no underlying issues. Remember, a runny nose is a common part of growing up. With a little care and attention, your baby will be back to their happy self in no time. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to seek support if needed. Introducing your baby to solid foods is an exciting milestone, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. As a parent, you might be seeking guidance to ensure a smooth transition for your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. First, it's important to know when your baby is ready for solids. Look for signs such as sitting up with minimal support, showing interest in your food, and the ability to move food from a spoon to their throat. Typically, this happens around 6 months of age. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools. Invest in a high chair, baby spoons, and small bowls. It's also helpful to have bibs and wipes on hand for the inevitable mess. Begin with single-ingredient purees, like mashed bananas or sweet potatoes. Introduce one new food at a time, waiting a few days before trying another, to monitor for any allergic reactions. As your baby gets used to purees, gradually introduce more textures. Soft cooked vegetables, small pieces of fruit, and well-cooked pasta are great options. Remember, it's normal for babies to make faces or spit out food initially. Patience and persistence are key. Mealtime should be a positive experience. Encourage your baby by eating together as a family and showing enthusiasm for the food. This not only helps your baby develop healthy eating habits, but also strengthens your bond. If your baby refuses a food, don't worry. It can take several attempts before they accept a new taste or texture. Keep offering a variety of foods to ensure a balanced diet. Transitioning to solids is a learning process for both you and your baby. With patience, practice, and support, you'll navigate this new chapter successfully. Remember, every baby's journey is unique, so find what works best for you and your little one. Dealing with your baby's first stomach bug can be a daunting experience for any parent. But with the right approach, you can help your little one feel better soon. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this challenging time. First, it's important to recognize the symptoms. Common signs of a stomach bug include vomiting, diarrhea, and a slight fever. Keep an eye on your baby's behavior and note any changes in appetite or mood. Hydration is key. Ensure your baby stays well hydrated by offering small amounts of breast milk, formula, or an oral rehydration solution frequently. Avoid giving sugary drinks or juices, as they can worsen diarrhea. Rest is crucial for recovery. Encourage your baby to sleep as much as they need. A calm and comfortable environment can help them relax and recuperate faster. When it comes to feeding, stick to a gentle diet. If your baby is on solids, opt for bland foods like bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. These can be easier on their sensitive stomach. Monitor your baby's condition closely. If symptoms persist for more than a couple of days, or if you notice signs of dehydration like dry mouth, sunken eyes, or decreased urination, consult your pediatrician promptly. Remember, patience and care are your best tools. Stomach bugs are common and usually resolve on their own with time and proper care. Keep your baby comfortable, and don't hesitate to reach out for medical advice if needed. Every baby is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Trust your instincts and do what feels right for your child. With love and attention, your baby will be back to their happy self in no time. Introducing your baby to story time is a wonderful way to spark their imagination and bond with them. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable and beneficial for your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for your baby's first story time. Before your baby arrives, it's a good idea to start building a small library of age-appropriate books. Look for books with bright colors, simple pictures, and rhythmic text. Board books are a great choice, as they are durable and easy for little hands to hold. Create a cozy reading nook in your home. This could be a comfy chair with a soft blanket or a corner filled with cushions. A dedicated space helps signal to your baby that it's time to relax and enjoy a story. Once your baby is born, introduce story time as part of your daily routine. Choose a time when your baby is calm and alert, perhaps after a nap or feeding. Consistency helps your baby associate reading with comfort and security. Engage your baby by using different voices for characters and pointing to pictures as you read. This not only makes the story more entertaining, but also helps with language development. Encourage your baby to touch the pages and explore the book with their senses. Remember, it's not just about reading the words, it's about the interaction and the experience. If your baby gets fussy, don't worry. You can always try again later. The goal is to make story time a fun and positive experience. Story time is a magical journey that you and your baby can enjoy together. With patience and practice, you'll create cherished memories and instill a love for reading that can last a lifetime. Every family's story time is unique, so find what works best for you and your little one. Introducing your baby to new textures in food is an exciting milestone, but it can also be a bit daunting. As a parent, you want to ensure this transition is both safe and enjoyable for your little one. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this process. Start by choosing the right time. Most babies are ready to explore new textures around 6 months of age. Look for signs of readiness, such as sitting up with minimal support and showing interest in what you're eating. Begin with soft, mashed foods. Foods like ripe bananas, avocados, or cooked sweet potatoes are excellent first choices. These foods are easy to mash and gentle on your baby's developing digestive system. Gradually introduce more variety. As your baby becomes comfortable with mashed foods, you can start offering small, soft pieces of cooked vegetables or fruits. Ensure these pieces are small enough to prevent choking and easy for your baby to handle. Encourage self-feeding. Allow your baby to explore food with their hands. This not only helps develop fine motor skills, but also makes mealtime more interactive and fun. Always supervise your baby while eating. Stay close by to ensure they are safely handling the new textures and to quickly respond if they encounter any difficulties. Be patient and flexible. Every baby is different, and some may take longer to adjust to new textures. If your baby rejects a food, try again later. It can take multiple attempts before they accept a new texture. Remember, introducing new textures is a gradual process. Celebrate small victories and enjoy watching your baby discover the world of food. With time, patience, and a little creativity, you'll help your baby develop a healthy relationship with food that lasts a lifetime. Teaching your baby simple words is an exciting milestone in their development. As a parent, you might be eager to help your little one start communicating. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this rewarding journey. Begin by talking to your baby frequently, even before they can respond. Narrate your day, describe your actions, and name objects around you. This constant exposure to language helps build their vocabulary over time. Focus on simple, everyday words. Start with names of family members, favorite toys, or common objects like ball or cup. Repetition is key, so use these words often in your conversations. Incorporate gestures to reinforce meaning. Point to objects as you name them, or use simple signs for words like more or all done. This visual aid can help your baby make connections between words and their meanings. Reading to your baby is another powerful tool. Choose books with bright pictures and simple text. As you read, point to the pictures and say the words. This not only introduces new vocabulary, but also fosters a love for reading. Encourage imitation by repeating sounds and words your baby attempts. Celebrate their efforts with smiles and applause, creating a positive learning environment. Remember, patience is crucial as every baby learns at their own pace. Engage in interactive play to make learning fun. Sing songs, play peekaboo, or use toys to create scenarios that involve speaking. These activities make language learning enjoyable and engaging. If you notice your baby struggling with certain words, don't worry. Keep practicing and provide gentle encouragement. If concerns persist, consider consulting a speech therapist for guidance. Remember, teaching your baby simple words is a gradual process filled with joy and discovery. With time, patience, and love, you'll help your little one find their voice. Celebrate each new word as a step forward in their communication journey. Introducing your baby to new flavors is an exciting milestone in their development. As a parent, you might be eager to expand their palate and encourage a love for diverse foods. Here are some helpful tips to guide you through this flavorful journey. Start by introducing new flavors gradually. Begin with single-ingredient purees, such as sweet potatoes or peas, to help your baby get accustomed to different tastes. Remember, patience is key. Your baby might need several tries before accepting a new flavor. Once your baby is comfortable with single ingredients, you can start combining flavors. Mix fruits with vegetables, or add a hint of mild spices like cinnamon to enhance the taste. This not only adds variety, but also helps your baby develop a more adventurous palate. Pay attention to your baby's reactions. Look for signs of enjoyment or dislike and adjust accordingly. If your baby turns away or spits out the food, try again later. It's important to keep the experience positive and pressure-free. Introduce new flavors during mealtime when your baby is alert and hungry. This increases the likelihood of acceptance and enjoyment. Make sure to offer a variety of textures as well, transitioning from smooth purees to more textured foods as your baby grows. Be mindful of potential allergens. Introduce common allergens like peanuts or eggs one at a time, and watch for any adverse reactions. Always consult with your pediatrician if you have concerns about allergies. Remember, every baby is unique, and their journey to discovering new flavors will be too. Celebrate the small victories and enjoy the process of exploring the world of food together. With time and patience, you'll help your baby develop a healthy and adventurous relationship with food. Introducing your baby to new flavors is an exciting milestone in their development. As a parent, you might be eager to expand their palate and encourage a love for diverse foods. Here are some helpful tips to guide you through this flavorful journey. Start by introducing new flavors gradually. Begin with single-ingredient purees, such as sweet potatoes or peas, to help your baby get accustomed to different tastes. This also allows you to monitor any potential allergic reactions. Once your baby is comfortable with individual flavors, try mixing them to create new combinations. Pairing familiar tastes with new ones can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable for your little one. Incorporate a variety of textures as your baby becomes more adept at eating. Move from smooth purees to mashed or finely chopped foods to help develop their chewing skills. This progression is essential for their oral motor development. Offer a wide range of flavors, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. This diversity not only provides essential nutrients, but also helps prevent picky eating habits later on. Remember, it might take several tries before your baby accepts a new flavor, so patience is key. Make mealtime a positive experience by eating together as a family. Babies learn by watching, so seeing you enjoy a variety of foods can encourage them to do the same. Keep the atmosphere relaxed and pressure-free to foster a healthy relationship with food. Finally, trust your baby's cues. They will let you know when they're full, or if they're ready to try something new. Respecting their signals helps build a foundation of trust and ensures mealtime remains enjoyable. Introducing new flavors is a delightful adventure for both you and your baby. With patience and creativity, you can nurture a lifelong appreciation for diverse and nutritious foods. Teaching your baby to self-soothe is an important milestone that can lead to better sleep for both you and your little one. As a parent, you might be seeking effective strategies to help your baby learn this valuable skill. Here are some essential tips to guide you through the process. Start by establishing a consistent bedtime routine. This could include a warm bath, a gentle massage, or reading a bedtime story. A predictable routine helps signal to your baby that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Create a calming sleep environment. Ensure the room is dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. consider using a white noise machine to drown out any disruptive sounds. A soothing environment can make it easier for your baby to relax and fall asleep on their own. Encourage your baby to fall asleep independently. Place your baby in their crib when they're drowsy but still awake. This helps them learn to associate their crib with sleep and develop the ability to self-soothe when they wake up during the night. Introduce a comfort object, like a small blanket or a soft toy, if your baby is old enough. This can provide reassurance and help them feel secure as they learn to self-soothe. Be patient and consistent. It may take some time for your baby to get used to self-soothing. If they cry, wait a few minutes before offering comfort, gradually increasing the time you wait. This teaches them to rely on their own ability to calm down. Remember, every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Trust your instincts and be flexible in your approach. With time and patience, your baby will learn to self-soothe, leading to more restful nights for the whole family. Teaching your baby basic sign language can be a rewarding journey, offering a unique way to communicate before they can speak. As a parent, you might be eager to start this exciting process. Here are some essential tips to guide you along the way. Begin by familiarizing yourself with a few basic signs. Common ones include milk, more, all done, and sleep. Resources like books, online videos, or sign language classes can be incredibly helpful. Introduce signs during your daily routines. For example, use the sign for milk every time you nurse or bottle feed your baby. Consistency is key, so be sure to repeat the signs regularly. Start when your baby is around 6 months old, as this is typically when they begin to develop the motor skills needed to mimic signs. However, it's never too early or too late to start. Be patient and give your baby time to learn. It might take weeks or even months for them to start signing back. Celebrate their attempts, even if they're not perfect. Encourage your baby by using signs in a fun and engaging way. Incorporate them into songs, stories, or playtime to make learning enjoyable. Remember, every baby is different. Some may pick up signs quickly, while others may take longer. The goal is to enhance communication, not to rush the process. If you find it challenging, don't hesitate to seek support from other parents or professionals experienced in baby sign language. Teaching your baby sign language is a journey of patience and practice. It's a wonderful way to bond and understand each other better. Embrace the process and enjoy the special connection it brings. Creating a sleep schedule for your baby can be a rewarding yet challenging task for new parents. If you're seeking guidance to make this transition smoother, here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Before your baby arrives, it's helpful to learn about infant sleep patterns. Read books, attend parenting classes, or consult with pediatric sleep experts. Understanding the basics will prepare you for what's to come. Once your baby is born, begin by establishing a bedtime routine. Consistency is key. A warm bath, gentle rocking, or a lullaby can signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Pay attention to your baby's sleep cues. Yawning, rubbing eyes, or fussiness can indicate it's time for a nap. Responding promptly to these signals can help your baby settle more easily. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep the room dark, cool, and quiet. A white noise machine can also help drown out household sounds that might disturb your baby's rest. It's important to differentiate between day and night. During the day, expose your baby to natural light and engage in stimulating activities. At night, keep interactions calm and quiet to reinforce nighttime sleep. Be patient and flexible. Every baby is different, and it may take time to find a schedule that works for both of you. If your baby resists the routine, try adjusting nap times or bedtime gradually. Remember, it's normal for sleep patterns to change as your baby grows. Growth spurts, teething, or developmental milestones can disrupt sleep. During these times, extra comfort and reassurance can help ease the transition. Creating a sleep schedule is a process that requires patience and adaptability. Trust your instincts and seek support if needed. Every family's journey is unique, so find what works best for you and your baby. Choosing the right sleep training method for your baby can feel overwhelming, but with the right guidance, you can make a decision that suits your family best. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate this important choice. Before starting sleep training, it's crucial to understand the different methods available. Research popular techniques such as the Ferber method, the chair method, or the no-tears approach. Each has its own philosophy and level of parental involvement. Consider your baby's temperament and your parenting style. Some babies respond well to a structured routine, while others may need a gentler approach. Reflect on what feels comfortable for you and your partner. Timing is also key. Most experts recommend starting sleep training when your baby is around 4 to 6 months old. However, every child is unique, so ensure your baby is developmentally ready. Consistency is vital in any sleep training method. Once you choose a method, stick with it for at least a week to see if it works for your baby. Frequent changes can confuse your little one and disrupt progress. Create a calming bedtime routine to signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This could include a warm bath, a soothing lullaby, or reading a bedtime story. A consistent routine helps your baby feel secure and ready for sleep. Be patient and flexible. Sleep training can be challenging, and setbacks are normal. If a method isn't working, don't hesitate to adjust your approach or seek advice from a pediatrician or sleep consultant. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Trust your instincts and choose a method that aligns with your family's needs. With time and perseverance, you can help your baby develop healthy sleep habits. Teaching your baby to hold a spoon is an exciting milestone in their development. As a parent, you might be eager to guide them through this new skill. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Before you start, it's helpful to understand your baby's readiness. Look for signs like showing interest in food or trying to grab the spoon during mealtime. These are good indicators that they're ready to learn. Begin by choosing the right spoon. Opt for a baby-friendly spoon with a soft, easy-to-grip handle and a shallow bowl. This will make it easier for your baby to manage. During mealtime, demonstrate how to hold the spoon. Show them how you scoop the food and bring it to your mouth. Babies learn a lot through imitation, so your actions will be their guide. Encourage your baby to try holding the spoon themselves. Place it in their hand and gently guide it towards their mouth. Be patient and allow them to explore at their own pace. Expect some messiness. It's all part of the learning process. Keep a bib and wipes handy, and try to maintain a relaxed atmosphere. The goal is to make mealtime enjoyable and stress-free. Celebrate small successes. Whether they manage to scoop a little food or simply hold the spoon correctly, positive reinforcement will boost their confidence. If your baby seems frustrated or uninterested, take a break and try again later. Every child learns at their own pace, and it's important to be patient and supportive. Teaching your baby to hold a spoon is a rewarding experience that requires patience and encouragement. Remember, every child's journey is unique, so find what works best for you and your little one. Teaching your baby to hold a spoon is an exciting milestone in their development. As a parent, you might be eager to guide them through this new skill. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Before you start, it's helpful to understand your baby's readiness. Look for signs like reaching for food or showing interest when you eat. This curiosity is a good indicator that they're ready to try using a spoon. Begin by choosing the right spoon. Opt for one with a soft, easy-grip handle and a shallow bowl. This makes it easier for your baby to hold and maneuver. Introduce the spoon during mealtime when your baby is alert and happy. Demonstrate how to use it by scooping up food and bringing it to your mouth. Babies learn a lot by watching, so be patient and let them observe. Encourage your baby to hold the spoon by placing it in their hand and guiding it to their mouth. It might be messy at first, but that's part of the learning process. Celebrate their attempts, no matter how small. Practice makes perfect. Offer plenty of opportunities for your baby to use the spoon, even if it means a bit of extra cleanup. Consistency helps them develop coordination and confidence. Remember, every baby learns at their own pace. If your baby seems frustrated, take a break and try again later. Keep the experience positive and stress-free. Teaching your baby to hold a spoon is a rewarding journey. With patience, practice, and encouragement, you'll soon see them mastering this new skill. Enjoy the process and cherish these moments of growth and discovery. Protecting your baby from their first sunburn is crucial for their delicate skin. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to keep your little ones safe under the sun. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Before heading outdoors, it's important to understand that a baby's skin is much more sensitive than an adult's. Babies under 6 months should be kept out of direct sunlight as much as possible. Use a stroller with a sunshade or a wide-brimmed hat to provide shade. When choosing clothing, opt for lightweight, long-sleeved shirts and pants made from tightly woven fabric. This will help protect their skin without overheating them. Look for clothing with a UPF, ultraviolet protection factor, label for added assurance. For babies older than 6 months, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Choose a sunscreen specifically formulated for babies, which is usually free from harmful chemicals and fragrances. Apply it generously to all exposed skin. And remember to reapply every 2 hours or more often if your baby is in water or sweating. Hydration is also key. Ensure your baby stays well hydrated, especially in hot weather. Offer them breast milk or formula frequently, as this will help regulate their body temperature and keep them comfortable. Be mindful of the time you spend outside. The sun's rays are strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. So try to plan outdoor activities for early morning or late afternoon. Remember, preventing sunburn is not just about comfort. It's about protecting your baby's skin health for the future. With these precautions, you can enjoy sunny days with peace of mind, knowing your baby is safe and sound. Protecting your baby from the sun is crucial, and using sunscreen is an essential part of that. Here are some important tips to safely use baby sunscreen. First, choose a sunscreen specifically formulated for babies. Look for products with mineral-based ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, as they are gentle on sensitive skin. Ensure the sunscreen is broad-spectrum, offering protection against both UVA and UVB rays, and has an SPF of at least 30. Before applying sunscreen, test a small amount on your baby's skin to check for any allergic reactions. Wait 24 hours to ensure there's no irritation or redness. If all is clear, you're good to go. Apply sunscreen generously to all exposed areas of your baby's skin. Don't forget often missed spots like the ears, back of the neck, and tops of the feet. Use a gentle touch and be careful around the eyes. It's best to apply sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure to allow it to fully absorb. Reapply every 2 hours, or more often if your baby is sweating or playing in water, even if the sunscreen is water-resistant. Remember, sunscreen is just one part of sun protection. Dress your baby in lightweight, long-sleeved clothing and a wide-brimmed hat. Seek shade whenever possible, especially during peak sun hours between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. For babies under 6 months, it's best to avoid direct sunlight altogether. If you must be outside, keep them shaded and use sunscreen sparingly on small areas like the face and hands. Sun protection is vital for your baby's delicate skin. With these tips, you can enjoy the outdoors safely and confidently. Always consult with your pediatrician if you have any concerns or questions about using sunscreen on your baby. Handling your baby's first tooth extraction can be a daunting experience, but with the right preparation, it can be managed smoothly. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this milestone. First, it's important to understand when a tooth extraction might be necessary. Common reasons include severe decay, overcrowding, or a stubborn baby tooth that won't fall out naturally. Consult with your pediatric dentist to determine the best course of action. Before the procedure, prepare your child by explaining what will happen in simple terms. Reassure them that it's a common process and that the dentist is there to help. Reading children's books about visiting the dentist can also be comforting. On the day of the extraction, ensure your child is well rested and has eaten a light meal. This can help them feel more comfortable and less anxious. Bring along a favorite toy or blanket for added security. During the procedure, stay calm and supportive. Your presence can be very reassuring to your child. Most pediatric dentists are skilled at making the experience as stress-free as possible, often using numbing gels or local anesthesia to minimize discomfort. After the extraction, follow the dentist's aftercare instructions carefully. This usually includes keeping the area clean, avoiding certain foods, and managing any discomfort with recommended pain relief. Encourage your child to rest and offer soft foods like yogurt or applesauce. Keep an eye on the extraction site for any signs of infection, such as redness or swelling, and contact your dentist if you have any concerns. Remember, your support and reassurance are key to helping your child through their first tooth extraction. With patience and care, you'll both navigate this experience successfully. Introducing your baby to cold weather can be a delightful experience, but it requires some careful preparation. As a new parent, ensuring your little one stays warm and comfortable is a top priority. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate this chilly adventure. Before heading out, it's important to dress your baby in layers. Start with a soft, breathable onesie as a base layer. Add a cozy sweater or fleece and finish with a warm, insulated coat. Remember, layers trap heat and can be adjusted as needed. Don't forget to protect those tiny extremities. A snug hat, mittens, and booties are must-haves to keep your baby's head, hands, and feet warm. Babies lose heat faster than adults, so these accessories are crucial. When you're ready to venture outside, use a stroller with a weather shield or a baby carrier with a cover. This provides an extra layer of protection against wind and cold. Keep an eye on your baby's face and hands to ensure they're not getting too cold. It's also important to monitor your baby's temperature. Check their neck or back to see if they're too warm or too cold. Adjust layers accordingly to maintain a comfortable body temperature. Limit your time outdoors, especially in extreme cold. Short, frequent outings are better than long ones, and always have a warm, cozy place to return to. Lastly, trust your instincts. If it feels too cold for you, it's likely too cold for your baby. Always prioritize their comfort and safety. Introducing your baby to cold weather can be a joyful experience with the right preparation. Remember, every baby is different, so find what works best for you and your little one. Enjoy the winter wonderland together. Traveling with a baby can be an adventure filled with joy and a few challenges. Choosing the right hotel can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. Here are some essential tips to help you find a baby-friendly hotel. Start by researching hotels that specifically cater to families with young children. Look for amenities like cribs, high chairs, and baby bathtubs. Some hotels even offer babysitting services or kids clubs, giving you a little time to relax. Location is key. Choose a hotel that's close to family-friendly attractions, parks, or beaches. This minimizes travel time and maximizes fun for everyone. Also, consider the proximity to medical facilities, just in case. Check the room options. A suite or a room with a kitchenette can be a lifesaver. Having extra space allows your baby to play safely, and a kitchenette lets you prepare meals or warm bottles with ease. Read reviews from other parents. Their experiences can provide valuable insights into the hotel's true family friendliness. Look for comments on cleanliness, noise levels, and staff helpfulness. Safety is paramount. Ensure the hotel has baby-proofed rooms or offers safety equipment like outlet covers and corner guards. A secure environment means peace of mind for you. Don't forget to inquire about dining options. Hotels with kid-friendly menus or the ability to accommodate special dietary needs can make mealtime stress-free. Lastly, contact the hotel directly to confirm their baby-friendly services and ask any specific questions you might have. A quick call can clarify any doubts and ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. Choosing the right hotel can transform your trip into a memorable family experience. With a little preparation, you can focus on creating wonderful memories with your little one. Safe travels. Exploring the great outdoors with your baby can be a delightful adventure filled with discovery and bonding. Here are some of the best baby-friendly outdoor activities to enjoy together. Start with a gentle stroll in the park. It's a perfect way to introduce your little one to nature while enjoying some fresh air. Choose a park with paved paths for a smooth ride with a stroller, or opt for a baby carrier for a more intimate experience. Consider a picnic in the shade. Pack a blanket, some toys, and baby-friendly snacks. It's a wonderful opportunity for your baby to experience new textures and sounds, like the rustling of leaves or the chirping of birds. Visit a local botanical garden. The vibrant colors and diverse plant life can be fascinating for a baby. Many gardens have stroller-friendly paths and designated areas for families to relax. A trip to the beach can be a sensory delight. Let your baby feel the sand between their toes and listen to the soothing sound of waves. Remember to bring plenty of sun protection and keep your baby hydrated. For a more interactive experience, try a baby-friendly outdoor class, like yoga or music sessions. These classes often incorporate nature into their activities, providing a stimulating environment for your baby to learn and grow. Don't forget about visiting a petting zoo or farm. Babies love to see and touch animals, and it's a great way to introduce them to different creatures in a safe setting. Lastly, always prioritize safety. Ensure your baby is dressed appropriately for the weather, and keep an eye on them at all times. With a little preparation, outdoor activities can be a joyful and enriching experience for both you and your baby. Embrace the adventure and create beautiful memories together. Back pain is a common ailment, but did you know it can also be an early symptom of pregnancy? If you're trying to conceive or suspect you might be pregnant, understanding the signs can be crucial. Here's what you need to know about back pain as a potential pregnancy symptom. During early pregnancy, hormonal changes can cause your ligaments to loosen and your joints to become less stable, leading to discomfort in your back. This is your body's way of preparing for the changes it will undergo over the next 9 months. In addition to hormonal shifts, as your uterus expands, it can put pressure on your lower back, contributing to pain. This is often accompanied by other early pregnancy symptoms like nausea, fatigue, and frequent urination. If you're experiencing back pain and suspect pregnancy, it might be time to take a home pregnancy test. These tests are most effective after a missed period, but some can detect pregnancy earlier. While back pain can be a sign of pregnancy, it's important to remember that it can also result from other factors like stress, poor posture, or physical activity. If your back pain is severe or persistent, consulting a healthcare professional is always a wise decision. Managing back pain during pregnancy involves maintaining good posture, engaging in gentle exercises, and using supportive footwear. Prenatal yoga or swimming can also be beneficial in alleviating discomfort. Remember, every woman's pregnancy journey is unique. If you suspect you're pregnant and are experiencing back pain, listen to your body and seek medical advice when necessary. Understanding your symptoms can help you navigate this exciting time with confidence and ease. This balance is crucial for maintaining productivity and nurturing your bond with your child. Creating a baby-friendly study area might take some time and adjustments, but with patience and creativity, you can design a space that supports both your academic and parenting goals. Remember, flexibility is your best friend in this journey. Taking your baby to the beach for the first time is an exciting adventure, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Here are some essential tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable beach day with your little one. Before you head out, make sure you have all the necessary beach essentials. Pack a large beach bag with plenty of sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective clothing for your baby. A pop-up beach tent can provide much-needed shade and a safe space for naps. Timing is everything. Plan your beach visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the harsh midday sun. This will help keep your baby comfortable and protect their sensitive skin. Hydration is key. Keep your baby well hydrated by offering breast milk, formula, or water frequently, depending on their age. Remember, the heat can be dehydrating, even if you're by the water. Sand can be tricky with a baby. Bring a large blanket or beach mat to create a clean play area. Baby powder is a handy trick for easily removing sand from skin, making cleanup a breeze. Don't forget about safety. Keep a close eye on your baby at all times, especially near the water. Consider using a baby carrier or stroller with sand-friendly wheels for easy transport across the beach. Lastly, capture the memories. Bring a camera or smartphone to snap photos of your baby's first beach day. These moments are precious and will be cherished for years to come. With a little preparation and these helpful tips, your baby's first beach day can be a delightful experience for the whole family. Enjoy the sun, sand, and sea with your little one, and make it a day to remember. Baby wearing is an age-old practice that offers a wealth of benefits for both parent and child. As a new parent, you might be curious about how this simple act can enhance your parenting journey. Here are some key advantages to consider. Before your baby arrives, it's helpful to explore the different types of baby carriers available. From wraps to structured carriers, each offers unique benefits. Choose one that suits your lifestyle and comfort. Once your baby is born, start baby wearing as soon as you feel comfortable. This practice promotes bonding through close physical contact, which is essential for your baby's emotional development. The warmth and rhythm of your heartbeat provide a soothing environment, helping to calm a fussy baby. Baby wearing also supports physical development. Being upright in a carrier encourages healthy hip development and strengthens neck and back muscles. Plus, it allows your baby to observe and interact with the world from a safe vantage point. For parents, baby wearing offers practical benefits. It frees up your hands, allowing you to multitask with ease, whether you're doing household chores or running errands. It can also make breastfeeding more convenient, offering discreet access and support. Comfort is key when baby wearing. Ensure the carrier is adjusted correctly to distribute weight evenly across your body. Your baby's head should be close enough to kiss, and their airway should always remain clear. If you're new to baby wearing, don't hesitate to seek guidance. Many communities offer baby wearing workshops or support groups where you can learn from experienced parents. Remember, baby wearing is a journey that can enhance your parenting experience. It's a practice that fosters closeness, supports development, and offers convenience. Embrace the benefits and find what works best for you and your little one. Co-sleeping with your baby is a practice that offers a range of benefits for both parents and infants. As a new parent, you might be curious about how this approach can enhance your family's sleep and bonding experience. Here are some key advantages to consider. Co-sleeping can promote a stronger emotional bond between you and your baby. The close proximity allows for more skin-to-skin contact, which is known to comfort infants and foster a sense of security. This physical closeness can also help regulate your baby's breathing and body temperature. Another benefit of co-sleeping is the convenience it offers for nighttime feedings. With your baby nearby, you can respond quickly to their hunger cues, making breastfeeding or bottle feeding more manageable. This can lead to more restful nights for both you and your baby, as you minimize disruptions and maximize sleep. Co-sleeping can also support your baby's emotional development. Being close to you at night can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a calmer, more content baby. This sense of security can contribute to healthier sleep patterns and emotional well-being as your child grows. Safety is a crucial consideration when co-sleeping. Ensure your sleeping environment is safe by using a firm mattress, keeping pillows and blankets away from your baby, and avoiding gaps where your baby could become trapped. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, and avoid co-sleeping if you or your partner are under the influence of alcohol or medications that affect alertness. While co-sleeping isn't for everyone, it can be a rewarding experience for many families. It's important to find a sleep arrangement that works best for you and your baby. Remember, every family's journey is unique, so trust your instincts and make choices that feel right for your family. Breastfeeding beyond the first year is a journey filled with unique benefits and cherished moments. As your child grows, you might wonder about the advantages of continuing this nurturing practice. Let's explore the remarkable benefits of extended breastfeeding. Breastfeeding past 1 year provides ongoing nutritional support. Your milk continues to be a valuable source of vitamins, proteins, and antibodies, adapting to meet your child's changing needs. This natural nourishment supports their immune system, helping to protect against illnesses and infections. Beyond nutrition, breastfeeding fosters a deep emotional bond between you and your child. The comfort and security it provides can ease transitions, such as starting daycare or adjusting to new environments. This connection is a source of reassurance and love, strengthening your relationship. Extended breastfeeding also supports your child's development. The act of nursing promotes oral health by encouraging proper jaw alignment and reducing the risk of dental issues. Additionally, the close contact and interaction during breastfeeding can enhance cognitive and social skills. For mothers, continuing to breastfeed can offer health benefits too. It may reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as breast and ovarian cancer, and support postpartum weight loss. The hormonal balance achieved through breastfeeding can also help manage stress and promote emotional well-being. It's important to remember that breastfeeding beyond 1 year is a personal choice. Every family's journey is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Trust your instincts and do what feels right for you and your child. Extended breastfeeding is a beautiful way to continue nurturing your child, offering both physical and emotional benefits. Embrace this special time, knowing that you are providing love and support that will last a lifetime. Taking your baby for outdoor walks is a delightful experience that offers numerous benefits for both you and your little one. As a new parent, you might be curious about how these simple outings can positively impact your lives. Here are some key advantages to consider. First and foremost, outdoor walks provide a wonderful opportunity for fresh air and natural sunlight, which are essential for your baby's health and development. Sunlight helps in the production of vitamin D, crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Moreover, these walks can be a great way to introduce your baby to the world around them. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature stimulate their senses and promote cognitive development. Watching leaves rustle, birds fly, or even feeling a gentle breeze can be fascinating for your little one. For you as a parent, outdoor walks offer a chance to unwind and recharge. Walking is a gentle form of exercise that can help improve your mood, reduce stress, and boost your energy levels. It's also a perfect time to bond with your baby, away from the distractions of home. Social interaction is another benefit. Meeting other parents and babies during your walks can help you build a supportive community. Sharing experiences and tips can be invaluable as you navigate parenthood. Safety is paramount, so ensure your baby is dressed appropriately for the weather and securely fastened in a stroller or carrier. Always be mindful of your surroundings and choose safe, accessible paths. Remember, every walk is a new adventure for your baby. Embrace these moments, as they are not only beneficial, but also create cherished memories. So, lace up your shoes, pack a few essentials, and enjoy the many rewards of outdoor walks with your baby. Reading to your baby is a wonderful journey filled with countless benefits. As a new parent, you might be eager to give your little one the best start in life. Here are some compelling reasons to make reading a part of your daily routine. From the very beginning, reading to your baby can enhance their cognitive development. Even before they understand the words, the rhythm and melody of your voice can stimulate their brain and foster early language skills. Choose books with bright colors and simple patterns to capture their attention. Reading together also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. The time spent cuddling and sharing stories creates a sense of security and love. This emotional connection is crucial for their social and emotional development. As your baby grows, reading can help expand their vocabulary. Hearing a variety of words and phrases introduces them to new concepts and ideas. Point to pictures and describe them to encourage word recognition and comprehension. Incorporating reading into your daily routine can also establish a lifelong love for books. Make it a special time, whether it's before bedtime or during a quiet moment in the day. This consistency helps create a comforting ritual that your child will look forward to. Reading to your baby isn't just about the stories, it's about the experience. Use different voices for characters and engage with the story to make it more interactive. This not only makes reading fun, but also enhances their listening skills and imagination. Remember, every baby is unique, and their interest in books will grow at their own pace. Be patient and enjoy the journey together. By making reading a regular part of your baby's life, you're setting the foundation for a bright and curious future. Reading to your baby is a wonderful journey filled with countless benefits. As a new parent, you might be eager to give your little one the best start in life. Here are some compelling reasons to make reading a part of your daily routine. From the very beginning, reading to your baby can enhance their cognitive development. Even before they understand the words, the rhythm and melody of your voice can stimulate their brain and foster early language skills. Choose books with bright colors and simple patterns to capture their attention. Reading together also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. The time spent cuddling and sharing stories creates a sense of security and love. This emotional connection is crucial for their social and emotional development. As your baby grows, reading can help expand their vocabulary. Hearing a variety of words and phrases introduces them to new concepts and ideas. Point to pictures and describe them to encourage word association and comprehension. Incorporating reading into your daily routine can also establish a lifelong love for books. Make it a special time, whether it's before bedtime or during a quiet moment in the day. This consistency helps your baby associate reading with comfort and joy. Remember, it's never too early to start reading to your baby. Even newborns benefit from the sound of your voice and the closeness of being held. As they grow, they'll begin to recognize favorite books and anticipate the stories. Reading to your baby is a simple yet powerful way to support their development. Embrace this opportunity to nurture their growing mind and heart. Every story shared is a step towards a brighter future for your little one.
Starting a baby registry in your second trimester is an exciting step in preparing for your little one's arrival. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right registry. Here are some of the best baby registries to consider. Amazon Baby Registry is a popular choice for its vast selection and convenience. You can find almost anything you need, from diapers to nursery furniture. Plus, they offer a 10% completion discount, which increases to 15% for Prime members. Target Baby Registry is another excellent option. Known for its wide range of affordable baby products, Target also provides a welcome kit filled with samples and coupons. Their easy-to-use app and group gifting feature make it simple for friends and family to contribute. For those who prefer eco-friendly and unique items, Babylist is a great choice. This registry allows you to add products from any store, giving you the flexibility to choose exactly what you want. Babylist also offers a price comparison tool to help you find the best deals. If you're looking for a registry with a personal touch, consider Pottery Barn Kids. Their registry includes high-quality, stylish baby furniture and decor. They offer complimentary design services to help you create the perfect nursery. Walmart Baby Registry is ideal for budget-conscious parents. With a wide selection of affordable baby essentials and a generous return policy, Walmart makes it easy to get everything you need without breaking the bank. Each registry has its unique benefits, so take the time to explore your options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Starting your registry in the second trimester gives you plenty of time to plan and prepare for your baby's arrival. Happy registering!
Taking a pregnancy test can be an emotional and pivotal moment in your life. To ensure you get the most accurate results, timing is everything. Here's a guide to help you determine the best time to take a pregnancy test. First, it's important to understand how pregnancy tests work. They detect the hormone HCG, which is produced after a fertilized egg attaches to the uterine lining. This hormone increases rapidly in early pregnancy. For the most reliable results, wait until the first day of your missed period to take a home pregnancy test. Testing too early might lead to a false negative because HCG levels may not be high enough to detect. If you're eager to know sooner, some tests are designed for early detection and can be used a few days before your expected period. However, keep in mind that the accuracy increases the closer you are to your missed period. Morning is the best time to take a pregnancy test, as your urine is most concentrated, making it easier to detect HCG. If you test later in the day, try to limit fluid intake beforehand to avoid diluting your urine. If you receive a negative result but still suspect you might be pregnant, wait a few days and test again. HCG levels double every 2 to 3 days in early pregnancy, so a repeat test might give you a clearer answer. Remember, while home pregnancy tests are highly accurate, they're not infallible. If you receive conflicting results or have concerns, consult with a healthcare professional for a blood test or further guidance. Timing your pregnancy test correctly can save you from unnecessary stress and ensure you get the most accurate result possible. Trust your instincts and take the test when you feel ready. Bloating is a common experience, but could it be a reliable sign of pregnancy? Let's explore this topic to provide some clarity. When you're trying to conceive, every little change in your body might seem significant. Bloating is one of those symptoms that can be confusing. It's important to know that while bloating can occur in early pregnancy, it's not a definitive sign on its own. Bloating happens due to hormonal changes, particularly an increase in progesterone, which can slow down digestion and cause gas buildup. This can make your stomach feel swollen and uncomfortable. However, these hormonal changes can also occur during your menstrual cycle, leading to similar symptoms. If you're experiencing bloating and suspect you might be pregnant, consider other early signs of pregnancy as well. These can include a missed period, nausea, breast tenderness, and fatigue. Each woman's body is different, and symptoms can vary widely. To get a clearer answer, taking a home pregnancy test after a missed period is the most reliable method. These tests are designed to detect the hormone HCG, which is present in your body during pregnancy. If the test is positive, it's a good idea to schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider to confirm the pregnancy and begin prenatal care. Remember, while bloating can be uncomfortable, it doesn't always indicate pregnancy. If you're concerned about persistent bloating or other symptoms, consulting with a healthcare professional can provide guidance and peace of mind. Understanding your body and its signals is key, but always rely on medical advice for the most accurate information. Every journey is unique, so trust your instincts and seek support when needed.
The first hour after birth is a magical time for bonding with your newborn. As a new parent, you might be eager to make the most of these precious moments. Here are some essential tips to help you connect with your baby right from the start. Once your baby is born, initiate skin-to-skin contact as soon as possible. This simple act helps regulate your baby's temperature, heart rate, and breathing, while also fostering a deep emotional connection. Hold your baby close, allowing them to feel your warmth and hear your heartbeat. During this time, your baby may show signs of readiness to breastfeed. Encourage them to latch on naturally, as this can help stimulate milk production and establish a strong breastfeeding relationship. Remember, patience is key as both you and your baby learn this new skill together. Talk softly to your newborn. Your voice is familiar and comforting, helping to soothe and reassure them in this new world. Singing or gently speaking to your baby can enhance your bond and provide a sense of security. Don't forget to involve your partner in these early bonding moments. Encourage them to hold the baby skin to skin as well. This not only strengthens their bond, but also supports your baby's emotional development. Capture these first moments with photos or videos, but remember to stay present. The first hour is fleeting, and being fully engaged with your baby is the most important thing. Bonding with your baby in the first hour after birth lays the foundation for a lifetime of love and connection. Trust your instincts, embrace the moment, and cherish the beginning of this incredible journey together. Every parent's experience is unique, so find what feels right for you and your little one. Bonding with your baby during the second trimester is a special and crucial part of your pregnancy journey. As your baby grows, so does the connection between you two. Here are some meaningful ways to strengthen that bond. Start by talking to your baby. Your voice is soothing and familiar, and by the second trimester, your baby can hear you. Share your thoughts, read stories, or sing lullabies. This not only comforts your baby, but also helps you feel more connected. Touch is another powerful way to bond. Gently rub your belly and pay attention to your baby's movements. This tactile interaction can enhance your emotional connection and make your baby feel loved and secure. Consider practicing prenatal yoga or meditation. These activities help you relax and focus on your baby, fostering a deeper connection. They also promote your overall well-being, which benefits both you and your baby. Involve your partner in the bonding process. Encourage them to talk to the baby and feel the movements. This shared experience can strengthen your relationship and create a supportive environment for your growing family. Educate yourself about your baby's development. Understanding the changes happening inside you can make the experience more real and exciting. It also prepares you for the upcoming stages of pregnancy and parenthood. Remember, bonding is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Trust your instincts and find what feels natural for you and your baby. The love and connection you build now will lay the foundation for a strong relationship in the future. Embrace this beautiful phase of your pregnancy. It's a time of growth, love, and anticipation, setting the stage for the incredible journey of parenthood ahead.
Encouraging your baby's hand-eye coordination is an exciting part of their development journey. As a parent, you might be eager to support this growth in fun and engaging ways. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Start by creating a stimulating environment for your baby. Brightly colored toys and objects can capture their attention and encourage them to reach out. Place these items within their line of sight, but just out of reach, to motivate them to stretch and grab. Tummy time is another crucial activity. It not only strengthens your baby's neck and shoulder muscles, but also enhances their ability to coordinate their eyes and hands. During tummy time, place toys around them to encourage reaching and grasping. Introduce simple games like peek-a-boo or pat-a-cake. These activities can improve your baby's ability to track movements and respond with their own hand movements. Singing songs with hand gestures can also be a delightful way to boost coordination. As your baby grows, offer toys that require more precise movements, such as stacking rings or shape sorters. These toys challenge your baby to use their hands and eyes together, improving their dexterity and problem-solving skills. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace. Celebrate small milestones and provide plenty of encouragement. If you notice any concerns about your baby's development, don't hesitate to consult with your pediatrician for guidance. Supporting your baby's hand-eye coordination is a rewarding experience filled with playful interactions and shared joy. With patience and creativity, you'll be amazed at how quickly your little one learns and grows. Enjoy each moment of this incredible journey together. Breast changes are often one of the first signs women notice when they suspect they might be pregnant. But how reliable are these changes as an indicator of pregnancy? Let's explore this topic to provide some clarity. During early pregnancy, hormonal shifts can lead to noticeable changes in your breasts. You might experience tenderness, swelling, or a tingling sensation. These symptoms are similar to what some women feel before their menstrual period, which can make it tricky to differentiate between the two. In addition to tenderness, you might notice your breasts becoming fuller or heavier. The areolas, the area around your nipples, may darken and enlarge. These changes are your body's way of preparing for breastfeeding, even in the earliest stages of pregnancy. However, it's important to remember that breast changes alone are not a definitive sign of pregnancy. Many factors, including hormonal fluctuations, stress, or changes in birth control, can cause similar symptoms. If you suspect you might be pregnant, the most reliable way to confirm is through a home pregnancy test or a visit to your healthcare provider. These methods can provide a more accurate answer than relying solely on physical symptoms. While breast changes can be an early indicator of pregnancy, they should be considered alongside other signs and symptoms. Paying attention to your body and understanding the various changes it undergoes can help you better navigate this exciting and sometimes confusing time. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and experiences can vary widely. If you have concerns or questions about changes in your body, seeking advice from a healthcare professional is always a wise choice. Breast changes are often one of the first signs women notice when they suspect they might be pregnant. But how reliable are these changes as an indicator of pregnancy? Let's explore this topic to provide some clarity. During early pregnancy, hormonal shifts can lead to noticeable changes in your breasts. You might experience tenderness, swelling, or a tingling sensation. These symptoms are similar to those many women feel before their menstrual period, which can make it tricky to distinguish between the two. In addition to tenderness, you might notice your breasts becoming fuller or heavier. The areolas, the area around your nipples, may darken and enlarge. These changes are your body's way of preparing for breastfeeding, even in the earliest stages of pregnancy. However, it's important to remember that breast changes alone are not a definitive sign of pregnancy. Many factors, including hormonal fluctuations, stress, or changes in birth control, can cause similar symptoms. If you suspect you might be pregnant, the most reliable way to confirm is through a home pregnancy test or a visit to your healthcare provider. These methods can provide more accurate results than relying solely on physical symptoms. In the meantime, if you're experiencing discomfort due to breast changes, consider wearing a supportive bra and using warm or cold compresses to alleviate tenderness. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and experiences can vary widely. While breast changes can be an early sign of pregnancy, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and confirmation. Understanding your body and its signals can empower you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Stay curious, stay informed, and take care of yourself. Breast tenderness can be an early sign of pregnancy, but it's not a definitive indicator on its own. If you're wondering whether this symptom could mean you're expecting, here's what you need to know. Breast tenderness is often one of the first changes women notice in early pregnancy. This is due to hormonal changes, particularly the increase in estrogen and progesterone, which prepare your body for breastfeeding. Your breasts may feel swollen, sore, or unusually sensitive to touch. However, it's important to remember that breast tenderness can also be caused by other factors. Hormonal fluctuations related to your menstrual cycle, certain medications, or even stress can lead to similar symptoms. Therefore, while breast tenderness can be a clue, it should be considered alongside other signs of pregnancy. If you're experiencing breast tenderness and suspect you might be pregnant, look for additional symptoms such as missed periods, nausea, fatigue, or frequent urination. These can provide a more comprehensive picture of early pregnancy. To confirm pregnancy, taking a home pregnancy test is a reliable first step. These tests detect the presence of the hormone HCG, which is produced after a fertilized egg attaches to the uterine lining. For the most accurate results, it's best to take the test after a missed period. If the test is positive, schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider to confirm the pregnancy and begin prenatal care. They can provide guidance and support throughout your pregnancy journey. Remember, every woman's body is different, and symptoms can vary widely. If you're unsure or have concerns, consulting with a healthcare professional is always a good idea. They can help you navigate your symptoms and provide the reassurance you need.
Pregnancy is a transformative journey filled with excitement and questions, especially when it comes to nutrition and lifestyle choices. One common concern for expecting mothers is caffeine consumption during the first trimester. How much is too much? Understanding the effects of caffeine on pregnancy is crucial. Caffeine is a stimulant that can cross the placenta, and while moderate consumption is generally considered safe, it's important to be mindful of your intake. Experts suggest limiting caffeine to about 200 milligrams per day, which is roughly equivalent to 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. This guideline helps minimize potential risks, such as increased heart rate or blood pressure, which can affect both you and your baby. It's not just coffee you need to watch out for. Caffeine is also found in tea, chocolate, energy drinks, and some medications. Be sure to check labels and consider all sources of caffeine in your diet. If you're used to consuming more caffeine, consider gradually reducing your intake to avoid withdrawal symptoms like headaches or irritability. Opt for decaffeinated beverages or herbal teas as alternatives. Staying hydrated is also key during pregnancy. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel more energized and reduce the temptation to reach for caffeinated drinks. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. It's always a good idea to discuss your caffeine consumption with your healthcare provider to tailor advice to your specific needs. Balancing your caffeine intake during the first trimester can contribute to a healthier pregnancy. By being informed and making mindful choices, you can enjoy this special time with peace of mind. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey that culminates in one of life's most precious moments. As you approach the final stages, staying calm is essential for both you and your baby. Here are some tips to help you maintain your peace of mind. First, educate yourself about the birthing process. Attend prenatal classes, read books, or speak with your healthcare provider. Understanding what to expect can alleviate anxiety and empower you with knowledge. Create a birth plan that outlines your preferences for labor and delivery. Discuss it with your partner and healthcare team to ensure everyone is on the same page. Flexibility is key, as circumstances can change, but having a plan can provide a sense of control. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or prenatal yoga. These can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Regular practice can also prepare your body and mind for labor. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Whether it's your partner, family, or friends, having people you trust can make a significant difference. Don't hesitate to lean on them for emotional support or practical help. Stay active with gentle exercises like walking or swimming. Physical activity can boost your mood and help manage stress. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. Focus on maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated. Proper nutrition supports your body and can improve your overall well-being. Finally, trust your instincts. Your body is designed for this, and you are more capable than you might realize. Listen to your body and communicate with your healthcare team about any concerns. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. Embrace the journey and find what works best for you to stay calm and centered in these final moments.
Pregnancy is an incredible journey filled with questions and surprises. One common question is, can you be pregnant and still have a period? Let's explore this topic to clear up any confusion. Firstly, it's important to understand that having a true menstrual period during pregnancy is not possible. A period is the shedding of the uterine lining, which doesn't occur if you're pregnant. However, some women experience bleeding during pregnancy, which can be mistaken for a period. This bleeding can happen for various reasons. Implantation bleeding is one of the most common causes and occurs when the fertilized egg attaches to the uterine lining. This usually happens around the time your period would have been due, leading to confusion. Hormonal changes can also cause light bleeding or spotting, especially in the first trimester. It's generally lighter and shorter than a regular period. In some cases, cervical irritation or infections can lead to bleeding. This is why it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider if you experience any bleeding during pregnancy. Remember, while light spotting can be normal, heavy bleeding or severe pain should never be ignored. These could be signs of a more serious issue, such as a miscarriage or ectopic pregnancy, and require immediate medical attention. Pregnancy is a unique experience for every woman, and understanding what's normal can help ease your mind. Always reach out to your healthcare provider with any concerns. Staying informed and proactive is key to a healthy pregnancy journey. Remember, you're not alone, and support is always available. Your baby's first tooth is an exciting milestone, but it also brings new responsibilities. Preventing tooth decay from the start is crucial for your child's long-term dental health. Here are some essential tips to help you protect those tiny teeth. Even before the first tooth appears, it's important to care for your baby's gums. Gently wipe them with a clean, damp cloth after feedings to remove bacteria and sugars. Once the first tooth emerges, introduce a soft, bristled baby toothbrush. Use a smear of fluoride toothpaste, about the size of a grain of rice, to gently clean the tooth. Establishing a routine is key. Brush your baby's teeth twice a day, especially before bedtime. Avoid putting your baby to bed with a bottle, as prolonged exposure to milk or juice can lead to decay. Instead, offer a bottle of water if necessary. Diet plays a significant role in dental health. Limit sugary snacks and drinks, and encourage a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. As your baby grows, introduce a sippy cup around 6 months to help transition away from bottles. Regular dental checkups are vital. Schedule your baby's first dental visit by their first birthday, or within 6 months of the first tooth appearing. A pediatric dentist can provide personalized advice and monitor your child's oral development. Remember, your involvement is crucial. Make toothbrushing a fun and engaging activity. Sing songs, use colorful toothbrushes, or let your child watch you brush your teeth to encourage good habits. Preventing tooth decay is a team effort. With consistent care and attention, you can set the foundation for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Every small step you take today contributes to your child's bright dental future. The first holiday season with your baby is a magical time filled with joy and new experiences. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make the most of this special occasion. Here are some essential tips to help you plan your baby's first holiday season. Start by setting realistic expectations. The holidays can be overwhelming, so focus on creating simple and meaningful traditions that you can enjoy as a family. Consider what activities are most important to you and prioritize those. Next, plan ahead to minimize stress. Make a list of everything you need, from gifts to holiday outfits, and start shopping early. This will give you more time to enjoy the season with your little one. When it comes to holiday gatherings, keep your baby's schedule in mind. Try to maintain their regular routine as much as possible to avoid overstimulation and crankiness. If you're hosting, consider having a quiet space where your baby can nap or relax. Capture the memories by taking plenty of photos and videos. These moments are fleeting, and you'll cherish looking back on them in the years to come. Consider creating a holiday photo book or a special ornament to commemorate your baby's first holiday season. Don't forget to include your baby in the festivities. Whether it's dressing them in a cute holiday outfit or reading them a festive story, these small touches can make the season feel extra special. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. The holidays can be demanding, so make sure to carve out some time for self-care. A relaxed and happy parent makes for a joyful holiday experience for the whole family. Embrace the wonder of the season and create lasting memories with your little one. Every family's holiday season is unique, so find what brings you joy and celebrate in your own special way. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey filled with excitement and anticipation, especially in the early stages. As a new mom, you might be eager to celebrate this special time in fun and memorable ways. Here are some delightful ideas to help you enjoy your early pregnancy. First, consider starting a pregnancy journal. Documenting your thoughts, feelings, and milestones can be a wonderful way to capture the magic of this journey. Write about your experiences, hopes, and dreams for your little one. Next, plan a small celebration with close friends and family. A casual get-together or a virtual meetup can be a great way to share your joy and excitement. You might even want to reveal the news with a creative announcement, like a personalized card or a fun photo shoot. Treat yourself to some self-care. Early pregnancy can be tiring, so indulge in activities that help you relax and recharge. Consider a prenatal massage, a soothing bath, or a gentle yoga class designed for expectant mothers. Another fun idea is to start a baby name list. Gather inspiration from books, movies, or family history. You can even make it a game with your partner or friends to see who comes up with the most unique names. Don't forget to capture the moments with photos. Whether it's a professional shoot or candid snapshots, these images will be cherished memories of your pregnancy journey. Finally, connect with other expectant moms. Join a local or online community where you can share experiences, ask questions, and find support. Building a network of fellow moms can be invaluable as you navigate this new chapter. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, so find what brings you joy and celebrate in your own special way. Enjoy the journey and cherish each moment as you prepare to welcome your little one. Managing your baby's naps effectively can be a game changer for both you and your little one. As a new parent, you might be searching for ways to make nap time a peaceful and productive part of your day. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. First, establish a consistent nap routine. Babies thrive on predictability, so try to put your baby down for naps at the same times each day. This helps regulate their internal clock and makes it easier for them to fall asleep. Create a calming nap environment. Dim the lights, reduce noise, and consider using a white noise machine to mimic the soothing sounds of the womb. A comfortable sleep space can make all the difference. Pay attention to your baby's sleep cues. Yawning, rubbing eyes, or becoming fussy are signs that it's time for a nap. Acting on these cues promptly can help your baby fall asleep more easily. Keep nap lengths appropriate for your baby's age. Newborns may need multiple short naps throughout the day, while older babies might benefit from longer, more consolidated naps. Adjust as your baby grows and their sleep needs change. Be mindful of nap timing. Avoid letting your baby nap too close to bedtime, as this can interfere with their nighttime sleep. Aim for a balance that ensures they are well rested but still ready for a good night's sleep. If your baby struggles with napping, don't hesitate to try different techniques. Rocking, gentle patting, or a soothing lullaby might help them relax and drift off. Remember, every baby is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Be patient and flexible as you find the nap routine that suits your baby best. With time and consistency, naps can become a cherished part of your daily rhythm. Creating a baby-friendly play area is an exciting step in preparing your home for your little one. As a new parent, you might be eager to design a space that's both safe and stimulating for your baby. Here are some essential tips to guide you in setting up the perfect play area. Start by choosing a dedicated space in your home where your baby can play safely. This could be a corner of the living room or a separate room entirely. Ensure the area is free from hazards like sharp edges or small objects that could pose a choking risk. Next, invest in a soft, cushioned play mat. This will provide a comfortable surface for your baby to explore and help cushion any falls as they learn to crawl or walk. Look for mats that are easy to clean and made from non-toxic materials. Incorporate a variety of toys that encourage sensory development. Soft toys, rattles, and colorful blocks can stimulate your baby's senses and promote cognitive growth. Rotate toys regularly to keep your baby engaged and curious. Safety is paramount, so make sure to baby-proof the area. Install safety gates if needed, cover electrical outlets, and secure any furniture that could tip over. It's also a good idea to keep the play area clutter-free to prevent any accidents. Consider adding a cozy reading nook with a few baby-friendly books. Reading to your baby can foster a love for books and enhance their language skills from an early age. Finally, make the play area a place where you can bond with your baby. Spend time playing, reading, and exploring together. This not only strengthens your connection, but also supports your baby's development. Creating a baby-friendly play area is a rewarding process that combines safety with fun. With a little planning and creativity, you can craft a space where your baby can thrive and grow. Dealing with your baby's first skin rash can be a daunting experience, but with the right approach, you can manage it effectively. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate this common challenge. First, it's important to identify the type of rash your baby has. Common rashes include diaper rash, heat rash, and eczema. Each type requires a different approach, so understanding the symptoms is key. For diaper rash, ensure you change diapers frequently and keep the area clean and dry. Use a gentle, fragrance-free wipe, and consider applying a barrier cream to protect your baby's sensitive skin. If it's a heat rash, keep your baby cool by dressing them in light, breathable clothing. Avoid heavy blankets, and ensure the room is well ventilated to prevent overheating. Eczema, on the other hand, requires a bit more attention. Moisturize your baby's skin regularly with a hypoallergenic lotion and avoid irritants like harsh soaps or fabrics. If the rash persists, consult your pediatrician for advice on suitable treatments. Remember, when dealing with any rash, it's crucial to avoid scratching, as this can lead to infection. Keep your baby's nails trimmed and consider using mittens if necessary. If you're ever unsure about the rash, or if it worsens, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and reassurance, ensuring your baby gets the care they need. Managing your baby's first skin rash can be challenging, but with patience and the right care, you'll soon have it under control. Every baby is different, so find what works best for your little one and trust your instincts as a parent. Establishing a daily routine for your baby is a journey filled with its own set of challenges and rewards. As a new parent, you might be seeking guidance to make this transition as smooth as possible. Here are some essential tips to help you along the way. Before your baby arrives, it's helpful to understand the importance of routines. Read books, attend parenting classes, or speak with experienced parents to gather insights. Preparing a flexible schedule can set the foundation for a balanced day. Once your baby is born, start by observing their natural patterns. Babies thrive on consistency, so try to establish a routine for feeding, sleeping, and playtime. This not only helps your baby feel secure, but also makes your day more predictable. Remember, routines are not rigid schedules. They should adapt to your baby's changing needs. A consistent bedtime routine, such as a warm bath followed by a lullaby, can signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Creating a calm and soothing environment is crucial. Dim the lights and reduce noise to help your baby wind down. During the day, engage in stimulating activities to encourage development and bonding. If your baby resists the routine, don't worry. It takes time for both you and your baby to adjust. Be patient and flexible, and gradually introduce changes. Consistency is key, but it's also important to be responsive to your baby's cues. Establishing a daily routine can come with its set of challenges, such as sleep regressions or growth spurts. During these times, your routine may need adjustments. Remember, every baby is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Patience, practice, and adaptability are your best allies. Trust your instincts and find what works best for you and your baby. A well-established routine can bring comfort and stability to your growing family. Planning your baby's first trip to the aquarium can be an exciting adventure filled with wonder and discovery. As a new parent, you might be eager to make this experience as enjoyable and memorable as possible. Here are some essential tips to guide you through the process. Before your visit, it's helpful to do a little research about the aquarium. Check their website for information on exhibits, feeding times, and any special events that might be happening. This will help you plan your day and ensure you don't miss any highlights. Timing is everything when it comes to outings with a baby. Aim to visit during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and overstimulation. Mid-morning or early afternoon can be ideal, as your baby might be more alert and engaged. Pack a well-prepared diaper bag with all the essentials: diapers, wipes, a change of clothes, and snacks. Don't forget a blanket or small mat for impromptu playtime or diaper changes. Dress your baby in comfortable layers, as aquariums can vary in temperature. A hat and lightweight jacket can be handy for keeping your little one cozy. Once you arrive, take it slow and let your baby set the pace. Allow them to explore the sights and sounds at their own speed. Look for interactive exhibits or touch tanks that are safe for little hands. Capture the moments with photos, but remember to put the camera down and enjoy the experience together. Your baby's reactions to the colorful fish and marine life will be priceless. Lastly, be flexible and patient. Babies can be unpredictable, so go with the flow and adjust your plans as needed. The goal is to create a fun and stress-free day for both you and your baby. Remember, this first trip is just the beginning of many adventures to come. Enjoy the journey and the memories you'll create together.
Welcoming a newborn into your life is a beautiful experience, and giving your baby their first bath is a memorable milestone. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this moment as safe and enjoyable as possible. Here are some essential tips to guide you through your baby's first bath. Before you begin, gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need a baby bathtub, mild baby soap, a soft washcloth, and a towel. Make sure the room is warm to keep your baby comfortable. Start by filling the baby bathtub with just a few inches of warm water. Test the water temperature with your wrist or elbow to ensure it's not too hot. Aim for a comfortable, lukewarm temperature. Gently undress your baby, keeping them wrapped in a towel to maintain warmth. Slowly lower them into the water, supporting their head and neck with one hand. Use the other hand to gently splash water over their body. When washing your baby, focus on the areas that need the most attention, like the neck folds, behind the ears, and the diaper area. Use a small amount of mild baby soap and a soft washcloth to clean these areas gently. Be cautious around the umbilical cord stump. Keep it dry and avoid submerging it in water until it falls off naturally. After the bath, lift your baby out of the water, supporting their head and neck. Wrap them in a soft towel and gently pat them dry. Pay special attention to drying the creases and folds to prevent irritation. Remember, your baby's first bath is not just about cleanliness. It's a bonding experience. Take your time, talk to your baby, and enjoy these precious moments together. With practice, you'll gain confidence, and bath time will become a cherished routine.
Planning your baby's first beach trip is an exciting adventure filled with fun and discovery. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for a memorable day by the sea. First, choose the right beach. Look for family-friendly beaches with calm waters and amenities like restrooms and shaded areas. It's also a good idea to check the weather forecast to ensure a sunny and pleasant day. Packing is key to a successful beach outing. Bring plenty of sunscreen suitable for babies, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective clothing to shield your little one from the sun. Don't forget a beach umbrella or a pop-up tent for extra shade. Hydration is crucial, so pack enough water and snacks for both you and your baby. If your baby is bottle-fed, bring a cooler to keep milk or formula fresh. A change of clothes, swim diapers, and a soft towel will also come in handy. Safety is paramount. Keep a close eye on your baby at all times, especially near the water. Consider bringing a baby float or a small inflatable pool to let your little one enjoy the water safely. Remember to capture the memories. Bring a camera or your smartphone to snap photos of your baby's first beach experience. These moments are precious and worth preserving. Lastly, be flexible and patient. Babies can be unpredictable, so go with the flow and enjoy the day at your own pace. With a little preparation, your baby's first beach trip can be a delightful and unforgettable experience for the whole family. Planning your baby's first beach trip is an exciting milestone filled with fun and discovery. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, here are some essential tips to help you prepare. Before you head out, research the beach to ensure it's family-friendly, with amenities like restrooms and shaded areas. Check the weather forecast to pick a day with mild temperatures and gentle breezes. Pack a beach bag with all the essentials. Bring plenty of sunscreen suitable for babies, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective clothing to shield your little one from the sun. Don't forget a large beach blanket or a pop-up tent for shade and comfort. Hydration is key, so pack enough water and snacks for both you and your baby. If your baby is still breastfeeding or bottle feeding, ensure you have everything you need for feeding on the go. When you arrive, choose a spot close to the water but not too close to avoid unexpected waves. Set up your shaded area and let your baby explore the sand. Bring along toys like buckets and shovels to keep them entertained. Keep a close eye on your baby at all times, especially near the water. Even shallow water can be dangerous for little ones. Introduce them to the ocean slowly, letting them dip their toes in and feel the waves. Remember to take breaks from the sun. Head to a shaded area or take a stroll along the beach to cool off. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or after swimming. Finally, capture the memories with photos, but also take the time to enjoy the moment. Your baby's first beach trip is a special occasion, so relax and have fun. With these tips, you're ready to create unforgettable memories on your baby's first beach adventure. Planning your baby's first birthday photo shoot is an exciting milestone filled with joy and creativity. Here are some essential tips to help you capture those precious moments perfectly. Start by choosing a theme that reflects your baby's personality or interests. Whether it's a whimsical fairy tale, a colorful circus, or a simple minimalist style, the theme will guide your decorations, outfits, and props. Next, consider the location. A well-lit room in your home, a beautiful park, or a professional studio can all serve as excellent backdrops. Ensure the setting complements your theme and provides ample natural light for the best photos. Outfits play a crucial role in the photo shoot. Select clothing that is comfortable for your baby and matches the theme. You might want to have a few outfit changes to capture different looks and moods. Props can add a fun and personal touch to your photos. Balloons, banners, and toys that your baby loves can make the shoot more engaging. Just ensure they are safe and age-appropriate. Timing is everything. Schedule the photo shoot around your baby's nap and feeding times to ensure they're well-rested and happy. A content baby is more likely to smile and engage with the camera. Consider hiring a professional photographer who specializes in children's photography. They can capture candid moments and have the expertise to handle any unexpected situations. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. This is a celebration of your baby's first year, so let the moments unfold naturally. Sometimes the best photos are the unplanned ones that capture genuine expressions and interactions. With these tips, your baby's first birthday photo shoot will be a cherished memory, filled with beautiful images that you'll treasure for years to come. Planning a baby's first birthday photo shoot is an exciting milestone that captures precious memories. As a parent, you want to ensure everything is perfect for this special occasion. Here are some essential tips to help you plan a memorable photo shoot. Start by choosing a theme that reflects your baby's personality or interests. Whether it's a whimsical fairy tale, a colorful circus, or a simple minimalist style, a theme can guide your decor and outfit choices. Next, consider the location. Decide whether you want an indoor setup with controlled lighting or an outdoor shoot that captures natural beauty. Each has its unique charm, so choose what best suits your vision. Timing is crucial. Schedule the photo shoot when your baby is usually in a good mood, typically after a nap and feeding. This helps ensure your little one is happy and cooperative during the session. Outfits play a significant role in the photo shoot. Select comfortable clothing that complements the theme and allows your baby to move freely. Don't forget to have a backup outfit in case of spills or accidents. Props can add a fun element to your photos. Balloons, toys, or a small cake for a cake smash can create delightful moments. Just ensure they are safe and age-appropriate for your baby. Hiring a professional photographer can make a big difference. They bring expertise in capturing the perfect moments and can offer creative ideas you might not have considered. Lastly, remember to relax and enjoy the process. The photo shoot is about celebrating your baby's first year, so let their personality shine through. Candid moments often make the most cherished memories. With these tips, you're well on your way to planning a beautiful first birthday photo shoot that you'll treasure for years to come. Planning your baby's first camping trip is an exciting adventure filled with new experiences for both you and your little one. Here are some essential tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable outing. First, choose a family-friendly campsite. Look for locations with amenities like clean restrooms, running water, and easy access to emergency services. It's important to ensure the environment is safe and comfortable for your baby. Next, pack wisely. Bring a sturdy tent with enough space for your family and all the baby gear. Don't forget essentials like a portable crib or bassinet, plenty of diapers, wipes, and baby-friendly bug spray. Layered clothing is key to keeping your baby comfortable in changing weather conditions. When it comes to feeding, plan ahead. If you're breastfeeding, bring a comfortable chair or pillow for support. For formula-fed babies, pack enough formula and clean bottles. Consider a portable bottle warmer for convenience. Sleep can be tricky outdoors, so establish a bedtime routine similar to the one at home. Bring familiar items like your baby's favorite blanket or stuffed animal to help them feel secure. Safety is paramount. Keep a close eye on your baby at all times and ensure they are protected from the sun with hats and sunscreen. A first aid kit tailored for infants is a must-have in case of minor injuries. Finally, embrace the experience. Introduce your baby to nature with short walks and gentle exploration. Capture these precious moments with photos and videos to cherish forever. Remember, every camping trip is a learning experience. With careful planning and a flexible mindset, your baby's first camping adventure can be a memorable and joyful milestone for your family. Dealing with your baby's first cold can be a challenging experience for new parents. It's important to know how to care for your little one during this time. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate through your baby's first cold. First, keep your baby comfortable and well-rested. Ensure they get plenty of sleep, as rest is crucial for recovery. A humidifier in the room can help ease congestion by adding moisture to the air. Hydration is key. Offer your baby plenty of fluids, whether it's breast milk, formula, or water, if they're old enough. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus and keeps them comfortable. Monitor your baby's temperature. Use a reliable thermometer to check for fever. If your baby has a fever, consult your pediatrician for guidance on appropriate medication and dosage. Nasal congestion can be particularly bothersome. Use a saline nasal spray or drops to help loosen mucus and gently suction it out with a bulb syringe. This can make breathing easier for your baby. Keep an eye on your baby's symptoms. If they seem to worsen, or if you notice signs of difficulty breathing, dehydration, or a persistent high fever, seek medical advice promptly. Remember, your baby needs extra cuddles and comfort during this time. Hold them close, offer soothing words, and provide a calm environment to help them feel secure. Lastly, practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently and keep your baby's environment clean to prevent the spread of germs. Caring for a baby with a cold can be challenging, but with patience and the right care, your little one will be on the road to recovery soon. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals if you have concerns. Taking your baby to the dentist for the first time can feel like a big milestone. As a parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for your baby's first dental visit. Start by choosing a pediatric dentist who specializes in caring for young children. A welcoming and child-friendly environment can make a significant difference in your baby's comfort level. Schedule the appointment for a time when your baby is usually calm and well-rested, such as after a nap. Before the visit, gently clean your baby's mouth with a soft, damp cloth to remove any food particles. This helps familiarize them with the sensation of oral care. You can also read books or watch videos about visiting the dentist to introduce the concept in a fun way. On the day of the appointment, bring along a favorite toy or blanket to provide comfort and familiarity. Arrive a little early to allow your baby to acclimate to the new surroundings. During the visit, stay calm and positive as your baby will pick up on your emotions. The dentist will likely perform a gentle examination to check your baby's gums and any emerging teeth. They may also offer advice on teething, oral hygiene, and dietary habits that promote healthy teeth. Feel free to ask any questions you might have about your baby's oral health. Remember, the first dental visit is as much about getting your baby accustomed to the dentist as it is about the examination itself. With preparation and a positive attitude, you can help set the stage for a lifetime of healthy dental habits. Every step you take now is an investment in your baby's bright, healthy smile. Dealing with your baby's first fever can be a daunting experience for any new parent. It's important to stay calm and know how to care for your little one during this time. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate through it. First, it's crucial to accurately measure your baby's temperature. Use a digital thermometer for the most reliable reading. A rectal temperature of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, or higher is considered a fever in infants. Once you've confirmed the fever, keep your baby comfortable. Dress them in lightweight clothing and ensure the room is at a moderate temperature. Avoid bundling them up, as this can raise their body temperature further. Hydration is key. Offer breast milk or formula frequently to prevent dehydration. If your baby is older than 6 months, you can also offer small amounts of water. Monitor your baby's behavior closely. If they seem unusually fussy, lethargic, or have difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical advice promptly. Trust your instincts. You know your baby best. For babies older than 3 months, you can consider using infant acetaminophen or ibuprofen to reduce fever. But always consult your pediatrician for the correct dosage and guidance. Remember, fevers are a natural response to infection and can help your baby fight off illness. However, if your baby is under 3 months old and has a fever, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Patience and attentiveness are your best tools. Keep a close eye on your baby's symptoms, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if you're concerned. Every baby is different, and so is every fever. With the right care and attention, you'll help your little one feel better in no time. Introducing finger foods to your baby is an exciting milestone, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. As a parent, you might be eager to encourage your little one to explore new textures and tastes. Here are some helpful tips to guide you through this process. First, ensure your baby is ready for finger foods. Typically, babies are ready around 6 months old when they can sit up with minimal support and show interest in what you're eating. Always consult with your pediatrician if you're unsure. Start with soft, easy-to-handle foods. Think steamed vegetables like carrots or sweet potatoes, or ripe fruits like bananas and avocados. Cut them into small, manageable pieces to prevent choking hazards. Create a positive and stress-free environment during mealtimes. Sit with your baby and eat together to model how to pick up and eat food. Babies learn by watching, so your enthusiasm can encourage them to try new things. Offer a variety of foods to keep things interesting. Introducing different colors, flavors, and textures can stimulate your baby's curiosity and willingness to try new foods. Remember, it's normal for babies to be hesitant at first, so patience is key. Encourage self-feeding by letting your baby explore the food with their hands. It might get messy, but it's an essential part of their learning process. Resist the urge to clean up immediately. Instead, let them enjoy the experience. Safety is paramount. Always supervise your baby while they're eating and ensure they're seated upright. Avoid foods that pose choking risks, such as whole grapes, nuts, or popcorn. Introducing finger foods is a journey of discovery for both you and your baby. Celebrate the small victories and remember that every baby is different. With time, patience, and encouragement, your little one will become more confident in their eating skills. Navigating your baby's first flu season can be daunting, but with the right preparation, you can help keep your little one healthy and comfortable. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this challenging time. First, ensure your baby is up to date with vaccinations, including the flu shot if they're over 6 months old. Vaccinations are a crucial defense against the flu and other illnesses. Next, practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently and encourage everyone in your household to do the same. Keep hand sanitizers handy for quick cleanups when soap and water aren't available. It's also important to maintain a clean environment. Regularly disinfect surfaces that your baby frequently touches, like toys, high chairs, and crib rails. This helps reduce the spread of germs. Monitor your baby's health closely. Be on the lookout for flu symptoms such as fever, cough, or a runny nose. If you notice any signs, consult your pediatrician promptly for advice on the best course of action. Ensure your baby stays hydrated. Offer breast milk or formula regularly, as fluids are vital in helping your baby fight off infections and stay comfortable. Dress your baby appropriately for the weather. Layering is key, as it allows you to adjust their clothing to keep them warm without overheating. Finally, trust your instincts. You know your baby best, so if something feels off, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Remember, while flu season can be challenging, with careful planning and attention, you can help protect your baby and ease them through their first encounter with the flu. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay calm. Your love and care are your baby's best defense. Your baby's first Halloween is a magical milestone filled with adorable costumes and precious memories. Here are some tips to make this special occasion unforgettable for you and your little one. Start by choosing a comfortable costume for your baby. Soft, breathable fabrics are key to keeping them cozy and happy. Consider a theme that resonates with your family, whether it's classic pumpkins or whimsical characters. Capture the moment with a mini photo shoot. Natural light works wonders, so try to take pictures outdoors or near a window. Props like tiny pumpkins or a festive blanket can add a charming touch to your photos. Plan a simple, baby-friendly activity. A gentle stroll around the neighborhood to admire decorations or a visit to a local pumpkin patch can be delightful. Remember, it's about the experience, not the extravagance. Create a keepsake to commemorate the day. A handprint or footprint craft can be a sweet reminder of how tiny they were on their first Halloween. You can also start a tradition, like reading a Halloween-themed story together. If you're planning to introduce your baby to trick-or-treating, keep it short and sweet. A few houses or a community event can be enough to enjoy the festive spirit without overwhelming your little one. Safety is paramount. Ensure costumes are free from choking hazards and that your baby is always supervised. If you're out after dark, consider reflective elements or a small flashlight for visibility. Finally, savor the moment. Your baby's first Halloween is a time to celebrate and create cherished memories. Embrace the joy and laughter, and remember, it's the little moments that make it truly special.